Hello everyone, I am T. This is a game art asset created with the help of Stable Diffusion. Please note that it's not 100% created by Stable Diffusion. AI is powerful, but how and when should we use it? Today, I will show you how I use Stable Diffusion to create production-level game art assets in my project. Let's get started. Here are my requirements. A fire station for an isometric game. In the traditional process, we would spend some time on concept design, review it, and then pass it to the next process. Next, I will use Stable Diffusion to generate concept designs. The first step is to create a depth map to allow Stable Diffusion to generate the basic shape. I use Blender for creating the basic model. It's essential to be clear about your requirements and specifications. The fire station's proportions are set to 2x2 grid cells. I already have a basic block shape in my mind, so I'll quickly build it. To get depth information, open the Z data option in EV. It's the depth information. Normalize means, ranging from 1 for the brightest areas to 0 for the darkest areas. Invert the black and white to get the right depth information required for Stable Diffusion's control net. Render the image and save it in a location where you can find it. These are the basic prompts. You can fill in according to your requirements. Here are the results after filling based on my needs. I will paste it down below. Choose a model that you like. Open the control net and import the depth map rendered with Blender. Select the depth type as None, since we use our own depth map instead of the one generated by ControlNet. Set the control weight to 0.6 to allow some unexpected results. Let's give it a try. I don't want any fire in the scene. Okay, let's try again. Alright, it looks good. Next, I'll use Laura to change the style of the image. It doesn't quite fit my expectations. Let's reduce the weight a bit. Okay, I think this one looks good, but I don't want the background. Let's back to Blender. Render the fire station without the background and save it. Go to image, copy the previous prompts over here. Set up the control net with the same settings and add your Laura. Nice. Let's generate more images. Perhaps more creative freedom would be better. Lower the control weight and try. Increase the sampling steps to 30, then generate again. Good. I think I can recreate a good concept design based on these results. These are the images I generated based on my taste, and they have indeed provided me with inspiration. Now, I will use these images as references to create a design that fits my requirements. Using the designs we recreated, apply them in Stable Diffusion to redraw and unify the visuals. In this step, you can use different lowres to create a stylized design that you like. Up to this point, I think we have reached a stage where we can proceed to the next. There are two reasons why I don't continue using Stable Diffusion to achieve the final production level results. First, based on my experience, the output from Stable Diffusion is not flawless and often contains numerous imperfections. It cannot be directly used in projects requiring production level quality. Second, while AI is powerful, as designers, we need to have our own ideas and creativity. AI should serve as a tool to assist our design process, provide inspiration, and not dictate our thinking. But perhaps we can progress together with AI. Okay, it's done. This is my current process of using AI. Hope you like it. Thanks, guys.